Hey everyone, welcome to JewelryMeTV. If you've been waiting for the perfect time to upgrade your look, this is it. Right here is our gold herringbone style chain, and today, it's part of our lowest price blowout sale. That's right, you're getting that bold, sleek, high shine look without breaking the bank. This piece lays flat, smooth, and elegant against the skin. It's the kind of chain that works with anything. Dress it up, layer it, or wear it solo. It's timeless, and today, it's going for a price you won't see again. It's made from durable, never fade, never tarnish stainless steel, so it keeps that rich gold look with zero maintenance. To grab this deal, just scan the QR code on your screen and pay through Cash App. Don't forget to include your full name and shipping address in the notes when you check out. We've only got a limited quantity at this price, and when they're gone, they're gone. Thank you for watching JewelryMeTV. I'm your name, and I'll be back soon with more deals that shine just as bright as you do.